Hey y'all, I am Darnisha, and let's get right into it. How I draw my eyebrows, I just draw the desired shape, I outline them, and I don't worry about how a hot mess they look because we're gonna do just like they did history and whitewash the the areas that we don't want. So I use a concealer that is fair enough. And then after I use my concealer, then I blend in my foundation around my eyebrows and just blend everything in. So I know typically everyone just really wanted to see how I do my eyebrows. And this is just that look of that, just me focusing just on eyebrows. When I used to get people contacting me like, oh, I just want my eyebrows done, I used to just be like, what? But get into it, they look good. This is like a, eyebrow look.